Linking your bank account to WealthSimple allows you to deposit funds, invest, and manage your finances efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide to linking your bank account to WealthSimple. Open WealthSimple account. If you haven't already, sign up for a WealthSimple account by downloading the WealthSimple app or visiting the WealthSimple website. After signing up, complete any necessary identity verification steps. Go to Funding or Deposit section. In the WealthSimple app or on the website, navigate to the Funding or Deposit section of your account. Select the option to link a bank account. Choose your bank. Select your bank from the list of supported financial institutions. WealthSimple supports most major Canadian banks as well as US institutions. If your bank is not listed, you may need to manually link it by entering your bank account number and routing number. Verify your bank account. You may be asked to log into your bank account via online banking credentials or through a secure verification process. Complete the verification to confirm your bank account. Deposit funds. Once linked, you can easily deposit funds into your WealthSimple account to start investing.